My name is Nikita Dhawan and I'm the director of the Research Gender Platform, which is a transdisciplinary forum for the study of gender relations, gender representations and gender violence, and adopts a pluralist approach to methods. Gender here is understood as a central category of social and political reality and refers to cultural and discursive constructions of masculinities and femininities. The effort is to challenge, contest biological accounts of binary sex, namely that there are two distinct and exclusive categories, sexual identities, and that a person can only belong to one category at a time. So it is argued that gender norms enforce stereotypical roles for men and women within families, organizations, institutions, and communities. In contrast, gender identities are understood to be diverse, heterogeneous, fluid, and messy. So to summarize, the approach here to gender is that it's one thinks about gender in terms of a doubleness. On the one hand, certain bodies, certain behaviors, certain desires, certain pleasures are constituted as normative, and those who can fulfill these norms, these roles, are rewarded, awarded, profit from it, and those who cannot, who deviate from these gender norms are vulnerable to normative violence and are sanctioned and marginalized. Another very key concept for us is intersectionality, which focuses on the co-constitutiveness of different social categories like race, class, religion, age, sexuality, and related to this is the notion of diversity, which deals with issues of difference, so racial difference, class difference, gender differences, and seeks to engage with the question, what difference does different make? So the guiding principles for us are gender justice, women's human rights, gender democracy, gender equality. To come to the gender platform itself, it exists since January 2008 and comprises of 60 members from 12 faculties. The aim here is to consolidate gender research through pooling of expertise across the disciplines. We have 5 research groups. I'll just name them very quickly. Gender, care, justice, theorizing the body, biography, de-reconstruction, gender relations of migrant societies, and gender and queer linguistics. I'll very quickly only focus on 3 key aims of our gender research platform. One is networking on the regional, national, supranational, and international level. We have a deep commitment to research-oriented teaching, and we have an interfaculty gender masters, gender culture social change, and a yearly award for feminist research by students and early career academicians. Last but not least, transfer of knowledge to larger society is a very, very important component of the gender research platform. So we have Innsbruck Gender Lectures where we disseminate knowledge that is produced within the gender platform to the larger public, and also have a Verein network and Geschlechterforschung. And now to conclude, briefly talk about our future plans and aims. We want to consolidate gender research at the University of Innsbruck and beyond. We wish to disseminate our research findings nationally and internationally, facilitate synergy effects with other research institutions, and last but not least, enhance support for young academics at the University of Innsbruck.